Yes, sir.
Tumaas ang budget ninyo ng almost 289 billion pesos. Tama? Nangyari yan sa BICAM. Tama?
That's on the record.
That's on the record. Hindi naman natin may pagkakaila eh. So, ang malinaw dito, ang insertions o paglobo o pagsingit nangyari sa BICAM. Hindi sa small committee dito sa House of Rep. Ang tanong ko po, ang paglobo at pagkaroon ng malawakang insertions, walang masama sa insertion. Papaliwanag natin mamaya, huwag kayong mag-alala. Pero ang paglobo ng 289 billion nangyari po sa BICAM. Yes or no? Director Alex, sige, kaya mo yan. Ikaw pinakamarunong dyan.
Yes, sir. As per record naman po yan.
That's what the record says. So in reality, nandun po eh. Yung small committee nangyari po dito sa House, ang binago niya are mostly institutional, hindi po DPWH. Kung may nagkaroon ng pagbabago dito is an errata on the allocations within the districts, nagbago yung iba, nag-iiba priority, or yung pangalawa, nagbago ang department ng recommendation. Tama po?
Yes, sir.
So, ang misteryo na kailangan tingnan natin is itong 289 billion na ito. Yan ang dapat natin tinitingnan. The focus should be here. Because this is now a byproduct of the technical working group of that BICAM. Dadalawang tao lang yan, paulit-ulit sinasabi ang pangalan. Huwag na natin lituin kasi madalas tayo nalilito na merong small committee. In reality, the insertions and the changes happened in the BICAM. At nangyayari naman yan taon-taon, wala namang masama dyan. Tanong ko po sa inyo, Secretary, moving forward, or even in the 2025 budget, we're trying to reform. Bukas ba ang departamento na i-identify kung sino ang sponsor ng bawat amendment dyan? Kung sino nagdagdag? For transparency purposes, yung sa budget na lang nahahawakan ninyo, Secretary Dizon. 2026 muna. Magkakaroon pa ito ng pagbabago because it's the power of the purse. Pwede ba lahat ng pagbabago dyan, i-identify at isa publiko? Okay ba kayo doon?
Tingin ko po, magandang ideya po yan.
Dapat. Isa publiko yan. Kasi masyado ng maraming tinatamaan na hindi dapat tinatamaan. At ipaglaban mo sa bagong bayan, ipaglaban mo sa monumento kung sa tingin mo tama ito. Ang bawat congressman dito makikipaglaban. Kapag ako po, ang distrito namin, binigyan niyo ko kami ngayon. Nagpapasalamat kami. Doon sa binalik ninyo, meron po kaming 486 million. Itataya ko, we are probably in the lowest 20% or 20 among all the districts. Pero tatanggapin ko po yan, Secretary. Ako na po nagsabi sa inyo, tatanggapin ko po yung desisyon ninyo. Pero bawat isa po, tulad ko, makikipaglaban kami at ipagtatanggol ko po yan sa taong bayan. So sana po, moving forward, let's make people declare. At ipaglaban nyo. Bakit kayo? Ba't mo kailangan ng iconic, massive bridge that will cross between Cavite and Bataan, which is so much needed by the economy, with an internal rate of return, economic return na napakalaki? Ipagtanggol natin. At tingin ko ito yung hinahanap din ng taong bayan. Pero ang paglilinaw ko lang po dito, is maging malinaw. Hindi nagsasalita ang DPWH. Yusek Ador, hindi kayo nagsasalita. Director Alex, pagdating po doon sa small committee. Malinaw po doon na kung ano mo na pinipresent, hindi tama eh. Hindi tama eh. Nandun na ho yun eh. Nakabaon na po doon sa NEP na sinasabing dinagdag. Ang small committee, wala siyang dinagdag. Yung nanggaling po sa House. Wala po. Nagbawas pa nga po ng 73.7 billion eh. Which you confirm. And I think in fairness, we need to isolate where the leaks are And who is responsible? Huwag po kayong matakot. Magagaling kayo dyan, masisipag kayo. Mas ikabubuti ng DPWH na kapag may nagtutulak ng pagbabago, may gustong magpalaki, magdagdag, ilagay niyo pangalan. At para sila makipaglaban at ipagtanggol nila yung insertion na yon. Tama? Hindi. Meaning yung transparency. Kung merong insertion dyan, may magsabi ng ganito, dapat i-identify, malaman. Because these are effectively, they're like earmarks. Meaning in the US, sinusulat kung sino ang nagsisingit
Yes, Mr. Chair. As per record po kasi, on the part of the department, the line agency, hanggang doon po ang knowledge ng departamento, doon po hanggang plenary po ng Senado. Then after that, ang budget po natin, yung binawasan niyo po na nabanggit niyo po kanina, Mr. Chair, pinapasa po natin sa taas hanggang BICAM. After the Senate plenary po, na-consume na po namin yung mula ko, lower house and the upper house. Sorry to say, Mr. Chair, wala na pong knowledge talaga ang whole department in connection with the add-ons. Malalaman na lang po natin yan pag lumabas na po ang General Appropriation Act. What we can identify here are the figures na dumating po at pumasok beyond doon po sa nabanggit po nating established na po natin. Thank you, Mr. Chair.
Talagang ito na lang po. Pasensya na po pasensya na.
Yeah, wrap up na lang po.
Hindi na po ako magtatanong. Pero, Chairman Mika, Vice Chair Ronald, malinaw sinasabi ng DPWH. Lahat ng nangyayari after the third reading ng Senate, bulag na sila dyan. Hindi nila alam anong nangyayari. Dumadating na lang yung pondong yan. Hindi nila alam. Hindi nyo alam kung sino ang proponent o kanino yan, paano yan nailagay. Di ba? Sabi niyo po. Pero malinaw sa sinasabi ninyo na ang insertions nangyayari sa BICAM, hindi siya nangyayari sa small committee dito. Kasi kung dito pa lang, binabawasan, paano ka magsisingit? Binawasan nga ng 75 billion ng House So how can you have an insertion? So, yun na lang po yung akin. So, tingin ko, Secretary Vince, importanteng instrumento, we want to turn a new leaf, todo na natin. Diba? Walang taguan. Ilabas na lahat yan. Kung kayang ipagtanggol yan, kanya-kanya naman, makakaintindi ang congressman. Ibig sabihin, masipag ang isa, mas marami ang kanyang makukuha. Mas marami ang kanyang magandang presentation niya, mas malaki ang makukuha ng kanyang distrito. So, tingin ko ako talagang kailangan natin i-todo na yan.
We absolutely agree with the recommendations of the congressman from Marikina. Tama po yan. At tingin ko yan din po ang gusto ng ating Pangulo.
Thank you. Pwede ba ako second round? Meron pa ba?
Pwede po.
But before that, I just wanted to support the statement of Chairman Miro Kimbo of the Committee on Ways and Means. I think yun din when people pertain to the small committee, ang hindi po na differentiate at hindi na distinguish ay mayroong small committee within the House that works on the institutional amendments before the HGAB is transmitted to the Senate. Pero meron ding small committee that used to work within the BICAM. So, thank you, Chair Mira, for pointing that out. Because on our part, we're already addressing the concerns surrounding the small committee within the formulation of the HGAB by taking that out completely. Inabolish na po natin yung small committee na nagde-deliberate ng institutional amendments. Ngayon po, meron na tayong Budget Amendments Review Subcommittee. Lahat po yon transparent na, lahat makikita na po yung mga dinideliberate na mga amendments at lahat po ng babaguhin. Kaya I support actually I just wanted to manifest my support to the statement of Chairman Miro Kimbo that we really are implementing all of these reforms to make sure that the budget process is more transparent and more open to the public. Maraming salamat po. Thank you. Thank you very much, Chair Miro. I think that's a very important point to draw out. Na magkaiba yung small committee, na nagpa-process na institutional amendments at iba yung po yung small committee na nandoon sa BICAM. Maraming salamat po.
Thank you.
Vice Chair Singson?
Yes, next to be recognized, we have Deputy Speaker Biron.
Thank you, Mr. Chair and Madam Chair. Magandang gabi. And to our distinguished Secretary Vince Dizon, magandang gabi sa inyo.
Magandang gabi po.
First of all, we would like to thank the President for appointing an incorruptible head of agency. No less than Secretary Vince, I know him for quite some time. And I hope the crusade continues to clean up your government. So far kasi, na-overtikan nyo na yung ibang ahensya ng gobyerno, no? Sa pinaka-controversial na agency of government. Anyway, this is very brief, Mr. Chair and Madam Chair. Before you took over as Secretary of the DPWH, I raised this concern to former Secretary Bunuan, and the same representation I made with the Chair, Chair Mika Swansing. Casually, I mentioned dito Secretary Dizon that nagtataka ako, no? This is my 6th term in Congress. And ngayon ko lang narinig yung allocable at non-allocable. I understand it was Under Secretary Cabral who made this new vocabulary dictionary, you know, na allocable and non-allocable. Ang pagkakaalam ko lang noon, isang net lang. Anyway, having said that, Mr. Secretary, na-mention ko po sa inyo that I observed that there was an insertion involving a road section in my district where the allocation was 253,429,000. Ngayon po, nagwa-wonder ako kasi this is not a long stretch of road. So I had requested the district engineer of Second Engineering District in my district to validate, no? And out of that 253 million, ang pinaka-maximum na gagamiting budget dito is only 72 million. But surprisingly, ang nilagay na budget was 253,429,000. The regional director, I don't know if Regional Limpenko is here right now. Yes, RD, remember, kasama tayo doon kay Secretary Bunuan. And I gave you a heads up that this will be part of my IRATA. Kayo ni ARD Alfruto. I thought all along that you took note of my request. Kasi, you know, alam nyo po, na 72 million lang ito. So I said to you during our conference with the former Secretary Bunuan, na yung ibang budget dito, sobra, which is because 180 will be a waste. Because 253, ang pwede lang i-budget 72. Anong mangyari doon sa 180? Very suspicious, Mr. Secretary. So, I made a presentation to the chair, to Chair Mika, during the IRATA, the submission of the IRATA, that would isolate the 72 million and the rest of the money will be spent for other projects. Unfortunately, Mr. Secretary, nang binalik yung NEP, hindi siya dinalaw po. So, in the interest of time, Mr. Secretary, may sulat po ako sa inyo dito, and I will be furnishing, you know, the Secretary of the DBM, no, the same context of my concern. I'll give it to you. Although officially pinareceive ko to po sa opisina ninyo, and the same thing I'll be giving to Chair Mika. I do not want to lengthen this discussion because I know pagod na rin kayo, you know. So in the interest of time, I'll furnish you this one, and I hope you could look into this. And sayang itong 180 million, magagamit pa ito ng distrito. In fact, I proposed a bridge project here also, the more vital needs of my district. And finally, Madam Chair, kanina nakikinig lang ako, no? Kay, this is my district. This is the district of Anayork Bondok, Congresswoman Bondok. And Congressman Hernandez and Congressman Rufus Rodriguez. This concerns the flood control issue, Mr. Secretary, that altogether you removed all the flood control projects. I somewhat would like to disagree with with the decision to get rid of all the flood control projects.